Angel from Resolve here, and in this video I want to show you some of the updates that just went live on the Resolve app on the Quest store. The Resolve team has been really busy this summer making some exciting updates and adding new features to our VR app so that you can review your projects and spot issues as early as possible. So let's dive into it. The first thing that I want to show you is on the Resolve web dashboard. We've made a couple of changes. You'll notice that there's an Open in VR button next to every model that you have in your Resolve dashboard. If I click on this button, it's going to automatically launch that project next time I open the Resolve app. Now you don't have to spend time looking through your project list, especially as it grows in the Quest. You can just click the button on any model that you want to open. So let's try that. I'm going to click the Open in VR button for the Modular Robot Factory Revit file. I'll click it and I get a pop-up that shows me how to get into the Resolve app in case I haven't used it before. Okay, now I'm in VR. I've put on my Quest and I'm going to launch the Resolve app, which I have as a shortcut here. Now when I launch into the app, it's going to take me immediately into the project that I selected on my desktop. Now I'm in the Robot Factory model on my Quest. I can explore it in VR, and all I had to do was click that button on my web dashboard to launch it in the headset. We're trying to make it even easier for you to get the data that you need in your headset when you need it. Resolve works really well on large projects. The larger a project gets, the harder it is to navigate and find your way around. The Resolve app has a Minimap that shows you a high-level overview of your facility, and in the latest release, you can now click on the map and you will be teleported to that location instantly. This makes it easier to get around your projects, especially ones with large footprints or lots of rooms where you need to be able to quickly teleport somewhere and you might not have set up a view there yet. Okay, this next feature I'm really excited about. It's been a long time coming and we're happy to finally bring it to Resolve. If I click Inspect Properties, I can select an object in my model. I've just selected this robot arm and I get all the information for it. In previous versions of Resolve, I could only hide the entire layer that this object was on, but now you'll see there is a hide object option, and if I click it, the robot arm is gone. This feature will come in handy for a lot of different types of review scenarios. As an example, let's say I wanted to hide my ceiling here. Now it's gone, and if I had more ductwork above here or another floor that I wanted to look into, I can. In this case, I can just see the sky, and then I can bring my ceiling back and do that just for that individual element. The last thing that I'm going to show you is more of a preview of something very exciting that the Resolve team has been working on. It is an integration with Procore. You'll be able to take any of your BIM files hosted on Procore Document Management and seamlessly view them in VR with just the click of a button. You can see a little preview of the Procore integration on my web dashboard here. My Resolve Robot Factory Navisworks file has a Procore icon because that one has been linked from Procore. My other two files are from ACC. With the Procore integration, I'll be able to add any of my files hosted on Procore to Resolve and they'll show up in my Quest automatically. If you're using Procore on your projects and you want to be one of the first to try out Resolve's integration, reach out to someone on the Resolve team or fill out the form in the description. We're going to be at Groundbreak next month and we'll be revealing more details about the integration then. This integration will help take your BIM coordination workflows on Procore to the next level so that you can review models hosted there on the Quest in VR and then look for any issues that are not coming up as part of traditional clash detection. That wraps up this video. The latest Resolve release is packed with so many incredible updates and new features. We're really excited to hear what you think of them, and remember, if you want to be one of the first to try out the Procore integration, reach out to our team.